Hi and welcome back. This is White Armor Consulting, and today I'm going to show you a tool which allows free file transfers that are not only secure but private. It's called Firefox Send, and it's a free, easy to use service by Mozilla Firefox that allows you to send up to 1 gig without an account and 2.5 gigs when you sign up for an account. Let's begin. So first, we're going to open up our favorite browser, and we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type in Firefox Send, and you're going to look for https send.firefox.com, or you can go directly to that URL. When you see this web page, you're on the right destination. I'm going to go through the difference between the free account, the signed in account, and then I'm going to show you how to manage the signed in account. So first, with the free account, what this service provides is an end-to-end encryption and a link that it automatically expires. So you can upload a file, password protect that file, send the URL to the destination, whether it's a family, friend, or coworker, and after they've downloaded it, it'll delete off the Firefox servers. So I'm going to show you how it works with the free account. So select a file, it'll upload, and then you can only select for the free account a 1 download time, and you can select 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. Can't select 7 days, and you can't select 2 or greater downloads. You can password protect it, and then you upload. So this is the free account. You copy the link, and then you send it to them via text message, WhatsApp, email, and when they download it, it will be expired after that. So this is what it'll look like. You can download the file, put in the password, unlock, download. So this is what your destination, when you send this URL to a coworker, family, or friend, this is what they'll see. They'll download it, and then when you go back, if you actually try to download that file again, it's expired. So that was the free account, and you can send up to 1 gig. Now I'm going to show you what the signed in account allows you to do. So you can share files up to 2.5 gigs, share files with more people, keep the links active for up to 7 days, and you'll also be able to manage shared files from any device. So all it requires is an email and a nice strong password, and then you'll be able to sign in and take advantage of those extra features. So same process, you're just going to upload a file. Once it's uploaded, you'll now be able to select greater download and 7 days. You'll be able to password protect it like normal. It'll upload, you'll get a copy of the link that you'll be able to send to your family, friends, coworkers, and you'll see the file. Now this is linked to the account you created. So as people start downloading this file, it will start decreasing from the amount of downloads. When you refresh, it should show you, there you go, 99 downloads in 6 days and 23 minutes. So as people start downloading, you get a sense of security, because once it's hit the 100th download, it's going to be deleted off the server. Or if it expires after 7 days, it's then deleted off the server. If you feel that you want to delete it sooner, you can just hit the X, and that is the account version. It basically is the same, but they give you more controls and also more usability. So now I'm going to show you how to manage this account, because there's some features in the settings that are really nice to activate to provide even more security. So from the search bar, all you're going to do is you're going to delete send, and you're just going to type in accounts.firefox.com. From there, you're going to go to have an account and sign in, and you're just going to put in that email and password you used for Firefox Send. And when you sign in, you'll have access to the settings of your Firefox account. So my advice here is to go through these settings. I highly advise turning on two-step authentication. I also highly advise turning on a secondary email and account recovery. From there, that's pretty much everything. If you have any questions about this tutorial or it doesn't seem to work for you, please let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for future security videos. Thanks and take care.